My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have never visited my channel before, my channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's video review. Hi. The company that we're going to share with you today is a company where you can make over $50,000 a year working from the comfort of your home remotely or anywhere in the world where you have access to the internet. So please stay tuned to this complete video because I'm going to share with you some valuable information that could change your life. Now, the company that we're going to share with you is a company called Togo. We're right now are looking at their corporate website, and we're going to give you a little cursory overview of what Togo is all about and the type of income that you can make with them. Once you visit their corporate website, and I will leave all the links in the description below, this right here is their corporate website, so you can learn all about what this company does. And if after you learn about the company and what positions they have open, if you come down here to the bottom of the page and you click this link right here, jobs, it will take you over to where all their jobs are located. Now, let me share with you a little bit about what Togo does. Right here from the wiki link is Togo is a time tracking app operated by Togo OU, headquarters in Estonia. Estonia is in Northeast Europe, okay? And this company offers an online tracking and reporting service through their website, along with mobile and desktop applications. So this is their prototype, this is their flagship product, and the positions that you would be applying for would be positions of engineers, coders, things of that nature to support this application, this web-based application that is their flagship product. Okay, and I strongly suggest that you do come to their corporate website to learn more about this software. Now, what I'd like to do now is play a short video for people to understand that this is a legitimate company. It's located in Europe, but they hire worldwide. You can live in New York, you can live anywhere in the United States and still work for this company. So take a look at this short video and it'll explain a little bit more about the company.
This is what the video needs to be.
My favorite thing is the flexibility. You can work from anywhere in the world. You're not tied to this one location at all times. I love that I can work from a coffee shop, my living room, a truck. When I was in California, my fiance was driving a truck in the desert and I was working. So, living the life.
So for me, pretty much the same. I'm trying to keep up like regular schedule, but it's really nice to have this opportunity. So if you need, you can be always flexible.
You also work for the truck?
Not yet.
He doesn't live in Texas, so no trucks for him.
For me, the greatest thing is the input to the product and the company. Like we have really flat organization structure, and everyone can just improve our company and the product, and it feels really great.
Yeah, I agree with Arthur 100%. Like, we don't have silos, like different silos that work separately, but every single department, I wouldn't even call them departments because everyone works together every single day.
My favorite thing about working for Togo is absolutely the team. The atmosphere we have and the type of open collaboration that we can achieve with like people from any team in the company and any position. That's really a good thing to be working in day to day.
So, why I come to the office most days is coffee. And besides that, I actually like having people around me who are not necessarily doing the same thing, but who have the same mission, sort of. It's good to work in a team where everyone feels passionate about what they do and actually genuinely cares about the product and the work. And it's also great that we like each other as people.
The Toggle Challenge is an opportunity where we fly out the entire team to one location somewhere in the world, and it's different every year. The objective is we sort of take our hands off of regular work for about a week, and we have some goal or some challenge to accomplish. And there's a whole wide array of things. Sometimes it's sort of hackathon-y type stuff, sometimes it's a video challenge, and that fosters bonding. It brings people together, it allows us to meet people and talk to people and form bonds with people that we wouldn't previously have.
Being just like fully remote company would be just sad. It's so nice to spend time with your coworkers. I have a lot of great memories already. I've known these people for half a year already, and we spent like, I think 4 weeks in total together. I wouldn't have had these nice things to remember if I was just like sitting at my couch every day and just doing my work from my corner of the world.
I think that Toggle initially started with a lot of people that grew up together because prior to being a remote company, it was an Estonian company. So there's these like, it was almost a family situation for the longest time. And so now, even though we're expanding and becoming more remote, those initial cultural bonds of the old guard that are still around stay strong and they maintain themselves. And as a result, we have this super unique and super close-knit culture that you just don't see in other companies, I think.
It's like the owners thought, like, what would be a company I would like to work for? And then they just build that company for us working. So.
Now this right here gave a little background on Toggle, and that you see that it is a rock solid, legitimate company, and you can work anywhere in the world and work for this company, reside anywhere in the world and work for this company. Now, let's talk a little bit about the positions that they have open and how you start applying to get hired with this company. If you have the skills and the desire and knowledge to work for this company. They have a position called a back-end developer that's open, and it says that you'll be part of their background team working to keep Toggle service up and running. Okay, here the yearly annual salary is 50,000 euro, and 50,000 euro converted into the US dollar is $55,957.20. If you were interested in applying for that position, you would take a test, click this link, and then follow the prompts and stuff afterwards. Another position that they have open right now is a chief revenue officer. They don't have the pay scale listed here, but it says you'll be the strategic leader of their excellent sales and marketing and product teams department, and you would have to take a test, an aptitude test, to qualify for that. They have a position called a financial controller, and that's roughly 50,000 euro a year, and that converts over to $55,957.20 in the United States dollar. They have a position called a net developer, and that's 48,000 euro annually, and that converts over to $53,720.16 in the US dollar. Then they have a product lead, and that is a position where you oversee all their mission teams, and you get paid 70,000 euro annually, and that equates to over $78,341.70 in the United States dollar. And then they have a position open called the front end developer, and again that's 48,000 euro annually, and again that's $53,720.16. So you see that all their jobs here, you'll be making anywhere from $53,000 a year to $78,000 a year. So again, if you're interested in finding out more about the company, I'd strongly suggest that you visit their website. Now, their recruitment process is 4 simple steps. Once you find a position that you're interested in applying for, you're going to take the skills test. Then you're going to do an assessment test and a live coding task. So they're going to be testing your coding skills. And then you're going to if you get accepted and make it through that point, you have a test week where you'll work 3 to 5 days paid work with their team to experience their culture in this company to see if you're a fit. And then the last part is that you'll have an interview with the CEO of the company to see if you and their goals bond together. Now, also on this page, they have a section where you can look at their frequently asked questions and learn more about their hiring process and their test scores, how it's calculated. You'll be able to see people giving honest reviews on this process that they went through. So this right here is a wealth of knowledge here on their website. Here's a link here where you can nail the interview for learn more about how to pass a remote interview for a remote job. You'll learn a lot of questions to help you be able to see what it's like to take their test and be able to pass their test. So ladies and gentlemen, I really hope that you found some valuable information about this company called Toggle, because if you're really interested in working remotely and want to earn over $50,000 a year, this is a company as well worth you taking a look at. Well, I hope that you found some value with this review on Toggle. If you did get some value, please, with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and also subscribe to my channel, because we keep you informed daily on all the different opportunities that's out there that we come across that can help you be able to make money and live your dreams working from home. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do answer all my questions. And if you would like to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link at the bottom of this video in the description, and I will leave that information for you. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you have found any value in this review, please again leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Click that bell icon, because I am looking forward to seeing you on my next review.